Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 219. Welcome again to the latest Business Finance Bulletin with me, Rob Warlow from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance expert. In this bulletin, a British business bank opens finance information portal for growing businesses, Iwoca launches new 5-year loan product, and asset finance usage bounces back. Despite what many business owners think, there are plenty of finance options out there, if you know where to look. And therein lies the problem. Now, since the credit crunch, which by the way is coming up to 10 years ago, many business owners still think that finance options are limited. However, a number of alternative finance providers have come out into the marketplace to fill the gap left by the high street banks. Well, it's this lack of confusion and understanding as to where to go is what the British Business Bank is trying to solve by the launch of a new information website. Now, the British Business Bank is home to the UK government's various finance schemes. And they say they've launched this information hub, which is packed full of case studies, articles and videos and how-to information on what to do when it comes to looking and raising finance. All around really designed to make you finance ready. Now, the British Business Bank has teamed up with 12 content providers, including organisations such as the Peer-to-Peer Finance Association, UK Business Angels Association, UK Export Finance, and a host of others who've provided all of this information. So if you are wondering where to go to raise finance and need to kind of up your game as regards knowledge, all you have to do is go along to that website, which is financeyourgrowth.co.uk. Definitely worth a look at. In the previous segment, I mentioned that there have been a number of alternative finance providers entering the market over the last few years. And one of those new entrants is Iwoca. Now, up until now, Iwoca has very much been a short-term loan provider. They've been providing loans up to £150,000 repayable over 12 months. So it's very good for payment of tax, VAT, accessing money very quickly if you've got a supplier to pay or a deal of a lifetime has come along and you need funds quickly. Well, Iwoca has now decided to extend its product range by coming out with a 5-year loan. So much more suitable now for medium-term investments, whether you're buying plant and equipment, machinery, or need a big boost in terms of working capital. So how does it work? Well, they provide anything from £5,000 up to a maximum of £150,000. It's repayable over 5 years on a monthly basis. Interest rate is 9.9% with a 6% arrangement fee. To be eligible, you have to be a limited company and have at least 2 years filed accounts. So in terms of the assessment process, well, no business plan needed, no financial forecast. They just need to see bank statements and VAT returns and those filed accounts. So if you're in need of a medium-term facility and you want to know more, pop along to the Iwoca website, which is Iwoca, which is iwoca.co.uk. However, as I record this video, that product isn't up on the site yet. So if you are interested, come via us. Just drop us an email, info@businessloanservices.co.uk, and we'll happily take you through the process. In recent previous bulletins, I've mentioned that usage of asset finance seems to have declined during the early months of 2018. Well, latest figures have come out from the Finance and Leasing Association, and its members have reported a bit of a bounce back. In April 2018, compared to the month of April 2017, usage of asset finance increased by 7%. On a year-to-year basis, that increase has been 3%. So when you compare that to bank lending, where lending to small businesses has at best been zero or very nominal growth, that's quite a bounce back. So what is this money being used for? Well, in terms of buying plant and machinery and also commercial vehicles, both those sectors in that month of April saw a 13% increase. In terms of financing business equipment, that saw an 18% increase. So we can see it's a quite strong growth there in terms of those particular needs. So if you want to know about asset finance and how you could use it in your business for the purchase of assets, say just drop us an email, info@businessloanservices.co.uk, and we'll take you through all the different types of finance arrangements that you can have for purchasing those assets and of course preserving your cash flow. Well, that's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. So that's it. Look forward to being with you next time, and in the meantime, have a great, successful and profitable week. Bye bye now.